Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very glad to see all of you here again. As usual, my name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today I came to you with a tropical beauty. Today I want to talk with you about this beautiful tropical plant named Cordyline. Just look at this beauty. Cordyline differs in variety of colors and shapes, and the foliage depends from yellowish, greenish, red, white, purple, every type of color. So yeah, today I want to talk with you guys about cordyline, how to grow, how to care, how to propagate. So if you are interested, please keep watching. So first of all, I want to say that cordyline, also known as a tea plant, and often is mislabeled with a Dracaena, like as a Dracaena, you know. Cordyline plants belong to their own genus. You will find them in most nurseries and in all but the warmest regions. Cordyline should only be grown indoors. They make excellent house plants, and with a little information about cordyline care, you can easily grow them by a sunny, warm window. The leaf colors of the Hawaiian tea plant range from glossy green to reddish purple to a combo of colors like red, purple, white, yellow, yellowish, and so on and so forth. The plant can produce red or yellowish flowers that put off a sweet fragrance. Is cordyline a Dracaena? Identifying a cordyline and distinguishing it from similar plants like Dracaena, for example, can be a bit challenging. This is especially true because nurseries may use a variety of names to label cordyline varieties. Dracaena, another popular houseplant, is commonly confused with cordyline. They look similar and are both related to agave. One way to distinguish between these two is to check the roots. On cordyline, they will be white, while on Dracaena, the roots are yellow to orange. Actually, cordyline plant varieties are very easy to grow as a house plants. They just need warmth, bright and indirect sunlight, rich soil, and regular watering. The bottom of the pot should be not stand directly in contact with water, or the plant's roots may rot. When the plant is actively growing, spring through fall, water it when the soil surface dry out completely. Cordyline winter care involves leaving a few more days between waterings, while growth slowly down or stops. Tea plant shows sensitivity to fluoride in regular tap water. Symptoms of fluoride toxicity include brown leaf tips and leaf margins. To avoid this problem, water a tea plant with distilled water and don't grow it in potting soil that contains superphosphate fertilizer or perlite. Another causes of leaf tip death indoor tea plants is damage from contact with fertilizer or the chemicals in leaf shining products. When applying fertilizer Pour it directly onto the potting soil, avoiding the leaves. And read the product label on houseplant leaf shine products to check they're suitable before using them on tea plants or not. If the plant is low in nutrients, the young leaves emerge dull, dark purple or maroon. Apply a liquid fertilizer suitable for house plants at the dilution and frequency stated on the product label after watering the plant and allowing it to dry slightly. Indoors, Cordyline grows as a smaller foliage houseplant. Outdoors, the plant as a specimen grows and accepts shrubs. The leaves, as stated above, come in a variety of colors. They are about 20 to 30 inches in length and about 4 to 6 inches in width. Plants propagate easily by a stem cutting. Take a stem from a mature plant and cut it into approximately 3 to 5 inches sections. Remove all the leaves and place the cutting on a layer of sand. This needs heat from the bottom. The stem's eyes will grow into shoots. When shoots have about 4 to 6 leaves, place it in a potting mix and put it in the pots. In addition to being a magnificent ornamental plant, parts of the plant are known for their staple value. The rhizomes, for instance, are high in starch. Most Feng Shui experts believe that Cordyline brings good luck to its owner. At present, this plant grows in the eastern part of Australia, the Hawaiian Islands, and many other islands of the Pacific. Easy care, compact, and bushy make it an attractive addition to the landscape, color palette, and a wonderful new plant for your container gardens. So I hope you loved this type of cordyline I've shown you today. Of course, there are many hues of them, like there are green, greenish, reddish, white, purple, yellow, but today I have this type of cordyline. I wanted to show you this type, and I want you to get to know a little bit more about a cordyline. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Happy gardening! Bye bye!